So we're unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now this is a specific version that is sold only in France. Now I'm located in Greece and I've managed to get my hands on one. Now the major difference is that in this package you get a free set of earphones. That's right. So if you can actually see, it's in French. This is a official EU version sold in Europe. I actually have the 512 gigabyte version. So there's the European guarantee. So we're looking at a 2-year warranty on this. Now the main difference is that, of course, the package we all know is this. This is what everybody gets as a main package. So you got the same details here, exactly the same. And the difference is, voila, you get your free earphones. So that's actually a bonus. Now let's go to the phone. Now I actually chose a silver version. There it is. The iPhone 12 Pro Max, the A14 Bionic chipset. Now I've already tested this. This is not, I'm actually not unboxing at the moment. I've already used this for a few days. Battery life seems the same, on par with the 11 Pro Max. The camera needs a few updates. Now I've actually used it and compared with the Note 20 Ultra. There it is. Size wise, you can actually see the difference on both. There it is. So there's the sizes. Actually, I'll take that out so you'll see the differences. Now in the hand, it seems a little bit more heavier, the iPhone in general. And one hand use, this is a lot more easier, so it's a lot taller and slimmer. This is a lot more like a square design. Now so far I've done a few tests, so if you go into the Greek Android iOS users group on Facebook, you'll actually find a lot of tests and I've done comparison. Now it's not much of an unboxing to do. They got the booklets, the pin, the cord, there's no charger obviously, and the phone itself, as you can see, is right here. As I said, I've already used it. Now it's got a very quick responsive Face ID unlock. Okay, now the sounds quality and everything, the build is very premium. So far, yeah, you need a case not to get these scratched. No, there's no complaints so far, but I'd wish we'd actually have a little bit better a camera, to be honest, in compared to the Note. The Note seemed to have a 50-50 difference with the better results, and sometimes, like the night mode, for example, indoors, the iPhone seemed a little bit better. Sometimes outdoors, the Note seemed a little bit better. Selfie and portrait, I'd give thumbs up to the iPhone for sure. Now the little extra zooms and all those little different things, the Note 20 Ultra, the reason why I'm comparing with that, because it's one of the top Androids at the moment, and you can pick it up with the price for a used device. You can get it a lot less than this, but the iPhone keeps the value for a lot longer, so you get a better value for money in the long run. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you need to visit to see more of our tests, I'd recommend you to go into the Greek Android iOS users group, which is also available on Instagram, YouTube, which you see the videos, and not to mention Facebook, of course, which is where most of my tests are. This is the group right there. So yeah, try that out, and we'll get back to the next test.